everyone, welcome to the channel. Welcome. So thank you so much for stopping by to check out this video. So what I have for you is how to oil your scalp to promote hair growth, to stimulate fast hair growth. So that's what I've been doing in the past few months, and my hair has been growing much thicker, much thicker and way faster than it usually does. So I thought I would show the procedure that I use to oil my scalp, to moisturize my scalp. Shake the oil up and then get it here. I'm gonna get some on this, on the cover. So I have about this much, and that's gonna be enough. And okay, my vitamin E oil, we're gonna go ahead and drop a few drops in here. Doesn't have to be much at all. And you can add any other oils that you want, like peppermint oil, tea tree oil. I'll alternate between tea tree and the vitamin E, so you can use anything you want, really. Okay, so now that's done, we're gonna go ahead and spray the water onto our scalp. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and separate it some more, just so we can get water through it as well. And then now what we do is massage it in a circular motion. Okay. Massage, massage, massage. Okay, and now that first section that we separated, we're gonna go ahead and tap our fingers again and go ahead apply it to the scalp. And now, while holding the hair like that loosely, we're gonna go ahead and tap it in the oil again. You want to be generous with the oil. Okay, and now you just slip your fingers through. Okay, and now once we are done with that, what we'll do is just go ahead with our hands, with our fingers, and massage it through the end, okay, to the end of the hair. Okay, look at that. Look at how shiny it is. Okay, and if you want, you just twist that one away. So go ahead, tap your fingers, and then holding the hair loosely, you're just gonna slip your fingers through in between the hair, okay? And making sure that you're not causing any breakage, any snapping of the hair at all, okay? And let me see if I can turn it. So now once you're done, what you want to do is get oil and oil the end of the hair, okay? Get the end well moisturized as well, okay? And that's it.